Hey guys, as you can see, this is my dashboard. I have account with in US dollars. I have account in British pounds. I have account in Euro currency. I have a Nigeria account also with this app. I can add more, but let me quickly show you something before I go further on this, guys. Look at this. This is my name, banking names, account number, IBAN. Look at everything here. Swift code, sort code. This is the name of the bank. Look at the address here. 4th floor, Imperial House, 15 Kingsway, London, United Kingdom. And look at everything. Even though I've never gone out of this country, I have well-detailed, legit accounts. All I have to do is just to click here and copy this now and send it to whoever I want to receive funds from in outside countries. So I can use this to receive funds from any country now. And that is how I have it for other currency here. And I can still add more currency from here. Let me click it. I have opportunity of this account also to have account with this country, Uganda shilling, Tanzania, Kenya. Even though I've not gotten some of this country, I can still add this country to this now. This Nigerian account you are seeing here is the one linked to this one. That's my local bank account. I can easily convert this currency here. If anybody send me money to my United States of America account here, I can convert it to this. You see convert fund now. I can convert to my Naira, that's local bank account, added to this account now and withdraw. And when even convert now, it's going to be in black market rate, not official exchange rate, black market rate, so as to give me more profit. Hello there viewers all around the world and wherever you're watching this video from. I am Sheyi Dairo. Today guys, I come to show you another opportunity whereby you can have foreign bank account even though you have never gone out of your country, or maybe you don't have opportunity of opening bank account in those foreign country. Watching this video will actually help you with a step-by-step guide on how you can also have your legit foreign bank account with countries like US, UK, and rest of the other countries like that. So all I need from you is just to give me your full attention on this video. Practically, I will show you this. First thing I want you to do, guys, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, guys, I am getting closer to 10,000. All I need from you is just please hit the subscribe button, give me a like on this video, turn up your bell, select all so that you'll be notified every time I upload in this my channel, and drop your comments. Drop your comment, anything you want to ask about, drop it in the comment box. I'll be happy to respond to that. So this is the website whereby you can sign up for this. That's grade.co. I will drop the link in the description box or comment box. That's actually the referral link, and sign up using that referral link will give you many advantage, guys. So when you get to this place now, this next thing to do is to sign up. I think you can click here, get started, is free. So here now you fill your details here, your country, Nigeria, continue, legal first name, legal surname, that's your banking name. Just put it according to how you fill your banking information, put it there. Then here let me fill it again. I don't know, continue. So put your bank, then your gender, you should select from here. Select gender, are you male or female? Just put it here. Then email address, then your phone number, then referral code, put it here. It's optional, but referral code, let me give you my own code. Just check the description box. That's my referral code. You will see my referral code there. Or I'll put it anywhere around the screen. That's my referral code. Just put it there, guys. Then click on continue. So as you can see now, the referral code will be here. So I want to paste the referral code now. So this is my referral, OVFVKE, everything in capital letter. So then click on continue. And I don't want to put this phone number there. Let me use another phone number, just anyhow number. Let me just crack 3. I don't know, maybe they may want to do confirmation, but just let me use this one to show you. If I will be lucky, continue. Oh sorry, gender male, then continue. Now the next is to set my password. Type the password and you repeat it here, continue. Now this is what they want now. I put number and I put letter and number, and this is ticked, right? A lower letter, a number, a character. Yes. Now they want me to put uppercase and special character like dots. I will use dots. Let's see. That's fulfill this one. It remains upper letter. So maybe the first one here now, I will use capital letter C. Not done. Then I will retype it here. Great. So you can click this one to see what you type, so as to be sure. Just then click on continue. Now next thing is send me verification code. So I need to go and open my email, get the code, verify the account. Now look at it. Confirm your identity. Gray. Hello testing. Confirm your identity. Thank you for signing up to Gray. Here's your one-time password. Let me quick copy this, paste, then verify. What do you want to use Gray for? Select all. Select all use cases that matter. Get a virtual card for online shopping. Manage and track my expenses. Get a foreign account to receive payment. Let me see if I tick up. So I have option to tick more than one. Send money abroad. Save and hold funds in foreign currency. Dollar-based investment. Receive from family and friends. Voice to remain. Okay, let me just click submit. Now guys, we have our account here. Unlock new account privilege by completing your KYC. Verify your identity to start enjoying grace. So this is very, very important, guys. As you can see, we have account with this now. United States, British pounds, euro. So look at it now. Are we not happy now? We are happy, but this is very, very important. You need to go and complete this before you can come to check this United States. So you see, but this is great. Get your bank account. So get your personal. Now I click in and get your Great British pounds bank account. User is yet to KYC. So I need to complete this before they allow me. Let me click in as to show just to show you how to do it, guys. Complete my account setup. Complete your KYC verification. Send money globally. Get a US dollar virtual card. Swap between currencies. Create your unique grid tag. Begin KYC verification. I may not be able to do this thing because my identity have been used already. Just to show you how to do that. So straight out, I will advise you that more information provided here, information you provide here should be the same data information you provide for your banking system, your local bank account. The information provided there should be the same with this, like address you use in your local bank account. You should put the same thing here. Your state, your city, your postal code. Upload a recent bank statement. So upload a recent bank statement. So you need to go to bank to get this. If possible, you can use the local bank apps to generate this, or you can go to your bank, get this. It's very, very, very important. So upload a recent bank statement. You have to go to your bank to get this and upload it here. Your date of birth. So don't forget street address. Get details from your bank before you come to fill this one out. So just very simple things. Then you're able to continue. This is just step 1 of 3. So I believe you're able to handle the rest from here, guys. Please, if you find value in this my channel, I want you to subscribe. I want you to like. I want you to drop comment. Anything you want to know about, you have confused about, just drop it in the comment box. So now let's go back to the page here. Since I cannot do verification using this. So see our rates. Click here to see our rates. So look at the rates. Select the currency first. Is it US dollars? Okay, let's put US dollars. US dollars to what? To euro. USD to naira. So this is their black market rate. That's 1,146%. As at today when I'm making this video, this is their own black market rate. Which means if you receive funds from other outside countries now, from foreign countries, and you want to convert it to naira, this is the value they will use to convert it for you. Also, if what you are getting is Great British pounds, so look at the conversion. And if you want to convert from Great British pounds to USD, see the value now. You see, so you can also come here to click on the accounts. You see now, convert funds. So from USD now, let's click on convert funds. Convert money now. Enter amount and select currency to convert. So that's when we're able to see the conversion, but we don't have any money here, so that's why you are seeing 00 amount to receive. We don't have any money. Now let's go. So that is under USD, and if I put it under here now, Great British pounds. So send money. If you have fund on this your pounds, you can send it now. Send money. So you can send to a bank account. You can send using Great tag. Anybody that's on Great can send it to them. You can send using mobile money. See now, send using mobile money. So different option, and like you want to send money globally from this your account here. Add money. You can also you can't add money because we have not done the KY. Then virtual card. See, add balance here. Nigerian account. Get your. So let me click this. Use it or user is there to complete. So we have not completed this, so we cannot. So that is your. Then let's come to virtual cards. So you know what I did now? That account, let me show you. The virtual card was just loading. I don't know, maybe because I've not done the KYC, filling out the KYC, maybe because I've not done that, and just keep loading like this. So I need to show you this with using my own account. So now using my own account now, when I click on virtual cards, instantly this came up. Look at this now, which means I can use virtual card. You know, normal card you are holding now, normal local bank card you are holding, you can be using it virtually now. Look at this. Many of you understand what meant by virtual account. So virtual card, get your instant prepaid debit card. Faster international payments, globally accepted, works on all your favorite stores, heavily secure. So you just click here and get started. So look at it now. You'll be charged a one-time fee. You will be charged a one-time fee of $4 from your USD balance. Below is the breakdown. Card creation fee $4, card top up $1. I confirm to pay the one-time fee of $5. So you click here now, proceed. But I don't have fund here. My own is just to use it to receive fund and withdraw it to my account. So look at it. So now, when got to money either from US, from UK or wherever now, and you want to withdraw it to your local bank account, what you would do is first thing is to convert the fund. If it is USD now, you click here that convert funds. That is, you want to convert it to this naira you're using. Do you understand now? Irrespective, anywhere you are, maybe you're from Ghana or whatever, your own accounts may be here, right? And Great British pounds, I think, let me show you the one we just created now. You see now, this is the one we just created. So by by default, Nigeria account is there, USD, Great British pounds, Euro account. So Nigeria account is there now. You only just convert. So let's say you have fund on this US account now. You click on convert fund. So I don't have any money here. So if not, it should show me total amount to convert. So it's not showing anything here. So okay, so amount to convert. Okay. Amount to convert in USD. So that's what happened. Now amount to convert in USD. So let's say I want to convert 5 USD, right? Yeah, if sufficient fund, that's not a problem. Let's say I want to convert 5 USD, and this is the amount I will get in naira. Amount will convert that 4.95. That's conversion fee is 0.05 USD. I will get, today's rate is 1,146.78. That's the black market rate here, and I will get this amount 5,676 naira in my Nigeria account here. You see now. And if it's not Nigeria you want to convert it to any other currency, you click here now to change it. That, let's say you want to change it to USD now. Click here to change it to USD. Oh, sorry, you can't change USD to USD. Let's say to this one. How much you have to get now? This is what you get. And then you click on continue. It will swipe to other accounts. But this one now you want to receive to your local bank account, you click this Nigeria now. And when click, because I don't have fund here, that's why you cannot click continue. Click on continue and you're able to proceed to put your local bank account there, the bank name, account number, blah blah blah. Continue like that. Then you will receive your fund almost immediately. Receiving money using this app is very fast. Within 30 minutes, money sent to you will be received. Unlike other method like that would take like 24 hours, whatever. No, except if there is a problem within from the sender. Except that. If not, everything is okay from here. So guys, I believe you enjoy this, and by now you are either I have created your account or just creating or planning to create it. When created, try to do your KYC to enjoy this, guys. If you have interest in many exportation business, exporting of foodstuffs outside countries, go and watch this playlist. Give you best content there. If you have interest in how to make money from some apps so that you can also sustain, go and watch this. If you have interest in affiliate marketing, go and watch this. If you have interest in how to become a YouTuber like me and be making money, go and watch this playlist. Thank you guys. I love you. Drop your comment. Bye.